morning, everyone. My name is Lamont Gilchrist. www.L.G.Fitness-Messiah.com is my website. Go and check it out. So I'm going to make a quick video. I got a couple of questions, and I get questions all the time, and I always try to answer these questions. So someone asked me, how much protein do you need to gain muscle, or what type of protein? So I'm going to break it down from the science and from my own personal experience of doing this for over 25 years. And being an athlete and watching and collaborating with other elite level athletes. So let's get an understanding. All proteins aren't absorbed at the same rate. Some proteins get oxidized a lot faster. Some proteins have to be broken down a little bit more depending on how you consume the protein. So there's a whole bunch of different variables. The main variable that I think people want to really know is to build lean muscle post-workout. How much protein do they feel that they need? The science is not 100% complete. You want to bring it in through your window, and depending on what form you bring it in. If it's in whey, then you really don't have to mix carbohydrates with it. I know people like to mix carbohydrates, so they say it can spike insulin sensitivity. But whey protein and other proteins already have an amino group that actually can be converted, or that can actually stimulate insulin sensitivity. So it's somewhere between, for most people, 20 to 50 grams post-workout, depending on how you take it in. Now, there's a couple other different variables. Depends on your age. If you're over 35, then you're going to start having protein insensitivity. So you may need to take something like leucine with it to increase the protein synthesis of how the protein synthesized. And your body is always in protein synthesis. You're just not always in muscle protein synthesis. Your body's in protein synthesis because your stomach lining takes glutamine, and it needs that protein. Your neurotransmitters need protein. Your ligaments, your tendons, your bones, your respiratory system, your digestive system. So you're always in protein synthesis at some point or some time. Quick side note, as far as like natural testosterone, they said that most people natural testosterone is at its peak, right, its highest point between 6 and 9 in the morning. Which actually gives you some potential to do some things there. See, when you know these signs, so when I set up meal plans or I set up nutritional plans, understanding these signs, understanding what they're doing in Russia, understanding what the German studies is, understanding what the Olympic study is, bodybuilding studies, my own personal experience, collaborating with other people. I have so many different layers to why a time or a food or a place or a thing that I do a particular thing that gives me just not a shot in the dark or bro science type of look at what it is that I'm trying to do. I take it from a scientific, from where the best science, or from where my personal experience leads me to think that there's going to be the best results. For more information about protein consumption, how much you need per body weight, or anything else about protein, you can contact me through my website. Once again, my name is Lamont Gilchrist, www.L.G.Fitness-Messiah.com. Thanks.